So I got a very filthy Mini Cooper engine bay that we're going to be addressing today. It's pretty gross. It's been neglected for a long time, I suspect. I'm using some very basic items to clean it. A leaf blower to knock out all the loose dirt and debris. Went over some Simple Green. I love this stuff and anything. And then I got some degreaser by Gunk. It's pretty good. One's almost empty. We'll mix them together. And lastly, I'll do the dressing. In between, I will be using little brushes to agitate any dirt, etc., and using a hose to get all of the crap off. So, let's go ahead and get to it, guys. Alright, first things first. This little guy, let's blow all that debris out of there. Alright, that's pretty good. Now, in case I didn't mention this, make sure you do this on a cold engine. You can really mess some stuff up on a hot engine. Make sure it's cold. There's not too many electrical connections on this motor. I've noticed I'm missing a cover back here, so I put a piece of plastic over it. Other than that, you should be good to go. Just be careful when you're spraying around your computers and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and liberally douse this motor in some Simple Green. I'm gonna agitate it and I'm gonna spray it. All right, grab some brushes here, just start going to town. Our new valve cover gasket, it's starting to look pretty good. Now this first one is Simple Green, it's just a quick one over. The degreaser, the Gunk will get most of the oil off the valve cover, at least I'm hoping anyways. And like I said, this first one's just a quick one over. All the big loose stuff we're getting off before we get more serious with the actual cleaning product. All right, go ahead and get this a little rinse off. Just a shower. You don't need to use jet mode or anything. All right, let that dry for a minute. We'll move on to the engine degreaser. All right, so how this stuff works is you're gonna spray it very liberally. It's gonna sit for about 15 minutes. In between that 15 minutes though, you're gonna take a brush and agitate any gross, dirty spots. And after 15 minutes, we're gonna just hose it off. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, just used it all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and mechanically agitate it now. Oh, any overspray on your paint, get that off as quick as possible. And your windows. I'll give this a nice clean in this afternoon, so I'm not gonna get too crazy with it. Alright, not too bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 10 more minutes and we're gonna wash it off. Be right back. Let's go ahead and get this thing rinsed off here. Already looking a lot better. All right, before I go to the last step, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice dry off with the leaf blower here. Alright, back in a minute for the very last part of this puzzle. Alright, here's the easiest part. Just gonna kind of spray it on and let it do its thing. Alright, I'm gonna let it cure for a little bit and I'll come back with some final little looks and pictures of it. Oh, also, if you're doing this, you are degreasing your motor. I highly recommend that you re-grease your little hinges for your hood. This thing is notorious for not liking to work. So any kind of all-purpose grease will get the job done. Get it in there really good, be pretty liberal with it. Alright, there we go. I'll let her sit for a little bit and I'll be right back. Oh, random funny observation. So you think of a Mini Cooper as a tiny car, and it is. Whenever I go for my Corvette and then sit in the Mini, it feels like I'm sitting in an SUV. You just kind of sit right in. This thing is obnoxiously low. But I'm not complaining. It's just funny. Alright. So this thing's been sitting about 25 minutes. I think this is as dry as it's going to get with this second coat on. I am extremely happy with it. I've used this before in the Corvette. I'll link that the video at the end of this video if you guys want to watch that with my neighbor and her Mini. Yeah guys, so 15 bucks, half hour every time, pretty effortless. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.